Welcome back to the channel Automotive Enthusiasts and Road Trip Dreamers. Today we are diving into the absolute pinnacle of luxury on wheels. If you have been following the recreational vehicle market over the past decade, you already know that leisure travel vans stands in a class of its own. They are the undisputed masters of the Class C and B+ motorhome segments, blending European-inspired elegance with rugged North American reliability. Now, the renowned Canadian manufacturer has officially dropped their highly anticipated 2027 model year upgrades, and we are here to break down exactly why their latest lineup of eye-catching and flawless Class C RVs is setting an entirely new benchmark for the industry. Whether you are a full-time nomad seeking a rolling luxury condo or a weekend warrior looking to elevate your campground experience, the 2027 fleet from Leisure Travel Vans demands your undivided attention. To truly understand the impact of these new 2027 upgrades, we have to start with the foundational architecture of these magnificent vehicles. Leisure Travel Vans has always prided itself on selecting the absolute best platforms available, and for this new model year, they are continuing their highly successful partnerships with both Mercedes-Benz and Ford. The legendary Unity lineup continues to ride on the cutting-edge Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, while the incredibly popular Wonder lineup utilizes the robust Ford Transit platform. For 2027, both of these chassis options have received significant technological enhancements directly from their respective automakers, which Leisure Travel Vans has masterfully integrated into their motorhome designs. Drivers can expect an unprecedented suite of advanced safety features, including highly refined adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring that accounts for the extended length of the coach, and autonomous emergency braking. Furthermore, the availability of intelligent all-wheel drive systems on both the Sprinter and Transit platforms means that these 2027 models are not just confined to pristine highways. They are highly capable exploration vehicles, ready to tackle inclement weather, loose gravel roads, and remote off-grid campsites with absolute confidence and unparalleled driving dynamics. Moving to the exterior, Leisure Travel Vans has managed to take an already stunning silhouette and make it even more breathtaking.
The 2027 models boast a remarkably aerodynamic profile, featuring seamless fiberglass bodywork that looks less like a traditional motorhome and more like a high-speed luxury yacht. The front and rear caps have been subtly redesigned to improve wind resistance, which not only enhances the overall aesthetic appeal, but also significantly boosts fuel efficiency and reduces highway wind noise, ensuring a whisper-quiet ride in the cabin. The company has also introduced a striking new array of full-body paint schemes for the 2027 lineup. These new color palettes range from stealthy modern earth tones to brilliant multi-dimensional metallic finishes that perfectly catch the afternoon sun. The meticulous attention to detail is evident in every single panel gap and exterior seal, showcasing the flawless craftsmanship that comes from their state-of-the-art production facility in Winkler, Manitoba. However, as striking as the exterior is, the true magic of the 2027 Leisure Travel Vans lineup is revealed the moment you step inside the coach. The interior design team has completely outdone themselves this year, elevating the cabin to a level of sophistication that rivals five-star boutique hotels. The moment you enter, you are greeted by an expansive, open-concept living space flooded with natural light, courtesy of massive frameless panoramic windows. For the 2027 models, the cabinetry has seen a major upgrade, utilizing premium, sustainably sourced lightweight materials finished in contemporary wood grains and ultra-modern matte options. The hardware is completely hidden, providing a clean, European-inspired aesthetic that feels incredibly spacious, despite the compact footprint of a Class C motorhome. The seating surfaces are swathed in the highest grade of breathable ultra-leather, offering supreme comfort whether you are lounging in the rear living area, enjoying a meal at the versatile dinette, or navigating cross-country from the captain's chairs. Leisure Travel Vans has always been famous for their ingenious floor plans, and the 2027 lineup continues this legacy of brilliant space utilization. Whether you opt for the iconic Murphy bed layout that seamlessly transforms a spacious daytime lounge into a luxurious master bedroom at the push of a button, the versatile twin bed configuration, or the incredibly spacious rear lounge model, every single inch of the interior has been optimized for flow and function. The galleys have been refined with deep stainless steel sinks, flush-mounted induction cooktops, and remarkably large, energy-efficient compressor refrigerators that easily hold weeks of fresh groceries. The washrooms continue to defy expectations for a vehicle of this size, featuring spacious residential-style fiberglass showers with premium fixtures, porcelain toilets, and beautifully illuminated vanity mirrors. Perhaps the most significant leap forward for the 2027 model year lies hidden beneath the surface, in the realm of smart home technology and off-grid power capabilities. Leisure travel vans recognize the massive shift toward independent, boondocking-style travel, and they have heavily upgraded their electrical architecture to match. The 2027 models feature state-of-the-art high-capacity lithium battery banks as standard, managed by an incredibly intuitive centralized smart coach multiplex wiring system. This advanced touchscreen interface allows owners to monitor climate control, lighting, tank levels, and power consumption from a single hub, or remotely via a synchronized smartphone application. The roof of the coach has been optimized to accommodate a massive upgraded solar array, ensuring that those high-capacity lithium batteries stay topped up even when you are parked miles away from the nearest electrical hookup. Combined with larger, winterized freshwater and holding tanks, this advanced power grid means that owners can comfortably live off the grid in remote locations for extended periods without sacrificing a single luxury or convenience. In conclusion, the 2027 upgrades from leisure travel vans represent far more than just a routine model year refresh. They represent a comprehensive evolution of the modern Class C luxury motorhome. By perfectly marrying the advanced automotive engineering of Mercedes-Benz and Ford with breathtaking aerodynamic design, meticulously crafted interiors, and industry-leading off-grid technology, leisure travel vans has solidified their position at the absolute top of the recreational vehicle market. These flawless, eye-catching machines are not just vehicles, they are fully realized, highly capable mobile estates designed for those who refuse to compromise on quality, aesthetics, or performance while exploring the open road.
If you are in the market for a premium motorhome that will turn heads at every single campground while providing years of reliable, luxurious travel, the 2027 Leisure Travel Vans lineup is undoubtedly the new gold standard. Let us know in the comments below which floor plan you would choose for your ultimate cross-country adventure, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the incredible machines that move us.